Alright, we're doing an addendum. We don't normally do afternoon updates, but here's one. Major earthquake near Anchorage, Alaska. Talking about a 7.0 magnitude and a whole swarm of other quakes up to, I believe, a 5.8 in that area. Tsunami warning was issued. Not exactly sure the extent of that. Here's the shake map. Looking bad. Lots of damage. Lots of damage. Very spooky, very sketchy. Let's look at the list of quakes that happened. While that loads, let me take this opportunity to say, quakes in the Arctic and Antarctic are rare. Part of the reason why we've been covering them. Because not something that you want to see. Earthquakes around the equator are a lot more common than earthquakes around the poles. And we've been seeing lots of earthquakes around the poles. Now this is just listed twice here. That's the same quake, I think. It's showing a 6.6 and a 7.0. You can say there's a 7.0. I mean, also, boom, a 5.7, a 4.0, 4.3, 4.5. A whole swarm of quakes. And, yeah. So that is not what you want to see. Lots of damage in Anchorage. Lots of damage. Also, this afternoon's update gives us a chance to cover something we failed to cover in the morning. Published just yesterday in the British Antarctic Survey, a new way to create Saturn's radiation belts. And we don't mean create, we mean create a model of. Many people may not be aware, Saturn has an incredibly powerful magnetic field associated with the planet itself. I mean, the gas belts on the planet, the rings, and the satellite system, it's all an incredibly intricate electrical network. And links below to this great article. Now, these are kind of like Van Allen belts on the Earth. And it's a good indication because this article is about stuff like plasma waves, because it's an indication that we're starting to really understand the physics of how these things work. So, in any case, read the article. Be safe out there. If you have an earthquake plan, good for you. If you don't have an earthquake plan, get one, especially if you live in earthquake-prone areas. Because that's a disaster. We'll be waiting to see how bad it is, but there's probably going to be loss of life and lots of monetary damage. Thanks for tuning in. Tell your friends. Please like and share the videos. And stay tuned for tomorrow morning's space weather.